Well, good morning, everybody. This is Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. I hope everybody's doing well today. Of course, we are, and today is Father's Day. So here's to all of the fathers and fathers-to-be. You hope you have a wonderful day. We're going to be doing something a little special today. We have a local farmer up in Montana that does wonderful organic whole chickens. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to put this chicken that I've washed, because it is important to wash chicken. I'm going to put it in our Dutch oven here, and I'm going to pour some lemon infused olive oil on it and just kind of rub this chicken really well. You don't need a whole lot of it, you know, just to kind of oil it well. You can use a pastry brush, but it works good just to rub it with your hands. Get all that olive oil all over it, and oh, does this smell like lemon? My goodness. And then I have a little bit of garlic and cracked pepper that I'm going to sprinkle on here. This is probably about a 6-pound chicken. You can't really buy these chickens in the grocery store like this. We're kind of spoiled by him. There we go. And the next thing I'm going to do is I have my own little herb garden. It's growing wonderful herbs this time of year. And what I'm going to do is just place some sprigs of thyme on top. And I'm not putting any in the cavity of the chicken. You can if you want to, but I'm not going to today. And then I have some wonderful fresh rosemary. You can't beat fresh herbs from your garden. Or if you don't, you can buy them in the grocery store now, which is awesome. There we go. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this out and put it over our prepared area that we have out there, and cook it probably for about an hour. But of course we do have an instant read thermometer that works great, because you do need to kind of keep an eye on it. All right, we'll see you outside in a few. Wonderful, we're out here and the weather is absolutely perfect for a Father's Day. Had a buck antelope walking through here a few minutes ago. I guess he's curious and wants to know what on earth we're doing. But what I'm gonna do here is, of course, the heat's coming up from the bottom. I'm gonna put some of these coals on top. You want like a good layer on top. Of course, as it cooks, we'll keep adding more. Those will make it nice and brown on top. There we go. We'll check this in about an hour with our instant read thermometer, and I'm sure it'll be done by then. Thank you. Just remember to subscribe. We hope you like this. To all your family and friends, and please give us some feedback. We would like some feedback and a nice comment. Thank you. All right, this is going to be the other part of our dinner that's going to go with our roasted chicken. What I've done today is we have some peppered bacon, olive oil. I put a little bit in the bottom of our Dutch oven. And today I prepared all different kinds of vegetables, as you can see. I've got little peppers, fresh asparagus from the garden, mushrooms, and thinly sliced new little potatoes from our garden, and of course some slivered onions. So I'm gonna pour this in here. Boy, those are potent onions, I'll tell you. On this, nothing better than fresh asparagus. This time of year, it's really going good. We've had a nice wet spring. And I'm gonna drizzle a little bit more olive oil on the top of this. And this is bacon and cracked pepper infused. We just have a wonderful source of wonderful different olive oil that we get from up here. And then, of course, I'm gonna put a little more of the cracked pepper and garlic on here. probably a teaspoon. You know, you can put it on here according to your taste. And about 15 minutes before our chicken is done, we're going to put this on, and we're going to kind of sear them so they go along with our chicken dinner. I am not going to put a lid on this. We're just going to cook it over a hot open fire so we can kind of charge these vegetables. Of course, you don't want to have them well cooked. You don't want them mushy, so you want them kind of just seared, charred. There we go. Once again, we'll see you outside. We'll be cooking this along with our chicken. All right, here we are outside. Of course, the wind is coming up as usual here in Wyoming. Our vegetables are about done. As you can see, they're browning real nice. They didn't get as charred as I wanted to, but they still look wonderful, and boy, do they smell great. Okay, we'll see you inside. Well, our Father's Day dinner got done. As you can see, it turned out absolutely beautiful. Our chicken smells wonderful, and the vegetables look absolutely wonderful. And what I did also this morning is I made homemade dinner rolls. You got to have homemade bread to go with a meal like this. It's a beautiful Father's Day. We hope everybody's having a wonderful time. We believe in quality food, good food, and sharing it with family and friends. And today we're having homemade rhubarb wine that we made ourselves. And later on, we will be showing you how to do it. My husband will be giving you step-by-step directions to that. Here's a toast to all of our friends and viewers. We hope you subscribe and hit the like button and give us some feedback on what you think of our video. Thank you and have a wonderful day.